Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to take your science class from chapter 8 in CRT book, Body Movements. Okay? Today, I will start from here. Body movements. Please be ready with your textbook. Open your book, page number 66. Okay? 66. Yes. Now starts. Before coming to the chapter body movements, do you know what is movement? Students, do you know what is movement? Movements means the ability of an organism to change position by using their body parts. Okay? Body parts is called body movements. Understood everyone what is body movements? Any types of body movements you can say. The ability of an organism to change position by using their body parts. Various body parts we have, you know. Such change is known as body movements. Okay? Understood everyone? Any problem? Students, can you hear me now? Okay, so what is body movements? The ability of an organism to change position parts is known as body movement. Okay? Understood now this part? Now please concentrate in your class. As you know that our body is made of skeleton. Skeleton, you know? Skeleton is such a part of our body that gives us shape, support, and also protect our body from any damage from outside. Okay? Very good, Deeptak. Movements are some kind of action that takes place in all living organisms. And now comes to skeleton system. You know skeleton system. What is skeleton system? Skeleton system is the internal structure in organisms which helps in bringing about many movements, many other movements. Okay? And another thing that it forms a framework that gives shapes to the body and provides mechanical support. And skeleton is made of bones, mainly bones. And one thing, this movement is possible due to presence of three main things. These are due to bones, cartilage and muscles. Okay? Now, such skeleton system can be divided into two parts. Okay? We can say skeletal system is mainly two types. One is made of two types of skeleton. One is axial skeleton, and another is appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton. So you can say that skeletal system is made of two types of skeleton, with axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Now can you see the board properly? Axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay. Now first comes to axial skeleton. Axial skeleton are the central part of our skeleton system that includes our brain, then spinal cord. Actually, those skeletal structure like skull, then spine, these all supports or provide protection to such axial skeleton. Understood? So we can say axial skeleton are centrally located skeleton, okay, including skull and spines. You know that skull is the bony structure that is present above our brain and that protects our brain, okay, and spine, that is the hollow structure where in the hollow structure spinal cord is present, okay, and that spine protect our spinal cord. Understood everyone? Understood? Okay. Now comes to appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton, that includes the other body parts including the limb, okay, limb, then our arms, okay, so we can say arms, legs, these all parts of our body are with appendicular skeleton, okay. Understood everyone? Okay, your PT2 syllabus will be chapter 6 and chapter 7. Chapter 6 changes around us and chapter 7 getting to know plants. These two will come in your PT2 syllabus. Chapter 6 and chapter 7, try to note it down in your copy. Okay students? Can you hear me now? What I have told? Okay. Now, as we know that skeleton is made of bones and it forms a framework that gives shapes to our body and provides supports to organisms, different kinds of bones are joined to each other in a particular manner. Okay? And that form joints, and that joint facilitates various types of movements in our body. And this movement is possible due to presence of bone, cartilage and muscles. Okay? And you know what is bone, how it looks like. And now comes to muscles. Have you any idea of muscles? Muscles are the part of the body that help in bringing about any movement. Okay, that is flexible, sometimes it contracts, sometimes it relaxes during our body movements. Okay, and muscles may be attached to the bones. In case of us, just like human beings, muscles are attached to the bones. But in case of earthworm there, no bones. Okay, only muscles alone that take part in movement in them. Okay, understood everyone this part? Up to this portion, any problem? Deeptak, any problem? Okay, you have understood now this portion. Now comes to cartilage. Okay, cartilage. Cartilage is also a part of skeleton that is not hard as bone, and this can be bent as this is flexible part, and so this is known as cartilage. They are actually there are so many parts in our body where cartilage can be found, just like in our ears, then nose, and also there are some long bones present in our body. On the tip of the long bones, such bending structure present in our body known as cartilage. Understood everyone? So tips cartilage can be found in our ears, nose and tips of long bones. Understood everyone? Very good. Who have answered this? Anubhav, very good. Very good. Cartilage is found in our ear, nose and also the tips of long bones. In our ear, upper part of the ear, pinna, that is known as pinna. Okay, upper part of our ear and tips of long bones. Yes, Deeptak. Yes, in our joint of bones also cartilage found. Very good, Nilanjan. Yes, Tanas, because it is made up of vertebral column. Means so many small bones are present. Okay, and they are joined together to form a spinal cord. There are 33 small bones known as vertebrae. These join together to form spinal cord. Okay. So here we have seen what is muscle, what is cartilage. Now comes to joints. From class 5 you have already learned what are joints, what are different kinds of joints. No? You know everyone. These are the points where two parts of the skeletons are fitted together to make the movement possible. You know. There are so many joints in our body, just like shoulder joint, knee joint, then elbow joint, hip joint. These all joints are found in our body. No? Okay. Now we have learned about the basic things of body movements. In the next class, I will upload a video of joints. Please try to watch those videos. That will be uploaded tomorrow. Okay, students, please check your e-portal regularly. This is my request to all of you. Okay? As I have told you that skull is actually made of two types of bones. One is cranium and another is facial bone. Cranium is actually cover and protect our brain. Okay? And facial bones, that is in our face structure. There are various bones you can found by touching your face. Okay? Up in the upper jaw and lower jaw. Okay, these all bones, and which jaw is fixed and which jaw is movable. You can easily observe this, and we can eat, talk, sing. That is actually due to presence of these two types of jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw in our face. Okay, facial bone. These are also called facial bones. And yes, Rian, very good. And also you can say eye socket. Eye socket means there are two holes to where the eyes are actually placed. Eye sockets are also there, and a pair of eye socket is present. That is the safe pocket for our eyes. Okay. Next comes to backbone. You know, backbone, that is the vertebral column, and that made of 33 small bones known as vertebrae, and they are bony structure, hollow bony structure. Okay, and where main nerve cord passes through the vertebral column or backbone. Okay, understood everyone? And another thing, you know, chest bone, that is also known as rib cage. There are actually 12 pair of bones, 12 pair of ribs are along make that back chest bone, and that protect our heart and lungs. Understood? And we have also our shoulder bone, that is also known as collarbone. No? And also we have hip bones, then bones of hands and legs. In the next day I will give you a table through which you can easily understood that how many bones are present in this part of the legs and this part of the hand, and how they are actually similar in number. Okay, I hope you understood. Now please give your attendance.